What is up, weather enthusiasts? I'm your host, Pat's Path Predictor. Let's get right into the weather. Alright, so this is the situation we have right here, folks. Your eyes are not deceiving you. We have the 4 through 8 severe weather outlook issued for today, actually. This is days 4 through 8. Day 4 is potential too low, but if you take a look at day 5, we have a 15% risk from the boot heel of Missouri down to Houston, Texas, and a 30% from Greenville, Mississippi, all the way to the Texas-Louisiana border right there. So this is not a drill, guys. We're looking at a potential severe weather outbreak going on, and we're going to go ahead and read some of the outlook, some of the discussion, just to show you what we're talking about right here. Medium range guidance continues to show a potential large-scale trough digging south through the U.S. on Wednesday on day 4 and ejecting eastward on Tuesday. As this occurs, a strong southerly low-level flow will develop across eastern parts of the southern high plains, yada yada yada. Basically, let me show you what it's talking about right here. So what we're looking at right here, this is the European model, and this is just temperatures. What's going to happen is a very powerful cold front is going to be moving through this part of the United States in the deep south, and start on day 5 essentially. And basically, as this moves through, it starts in Oklahoma and then moves through Arkansas. Temperatures in like the mid to upper 60s plummet down to like the 40s, 50s in some areas right there. So this is a potentially very powerful cold front that only gets even more powerful. And basically in 12 to 24 hours, the temperature is going to plummet from, so let's say around here on 65 all the way down to temperatures like 33, 32 degrees right there. So that's how powerful this front's going to be as we continue to move through there. So that's what this is talking about. When it comes to severe storms, right now it's too early to talk about which type of severe weather is going to be happening, but we do know there's a 30% chance. The SPC is very confident that this is going to happen. We're going to have to wait a couple more days to see what kind of risk comes out, whether it's an enhanced risk, moderate risk, slight risk, whatever. But we'll have to pay attention to it in the next couple of days right there. Let's go ahead and continue this. This will transport unseasonably rich Gulf moisture northward across the eastern Oklahoma, Texas, and Mississippi Valley beneath the intense vertical shear. Forgot to mention there is a lot of wind shear with this. If we go ahead and pull up the GFS run right here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to have to pull it up right here. The vorticity for this, basically, we have it right here. The vorticity is pretty decent in parts of northern Mississippi, parts of Louisiana right there. This basically, we're looking at Cape values basically here between 1,500 to 2,000 joules per kilogram. Let's go ahead and show you guys that real quickly, because if we take a look at the Cape right here, like this is Cape, we're looking at around areas of maybe cracking 1,500, cracking 2,000 joules per kilogram right here in parts of Mississippi. If we go ahead and look at the most unstable Cape and shear right here, basically we're looking at wind shear speeds of around 41 knots so far. And that's pretty impressive for shear as we continue to move to the upper levels. So that's not too bad considering, with all things considered, around 21 Cape right there. We're all the way up to Tennessee. We're getting values of over 1,000 right here. The wind shear speed is over 60 knots in parts of Tennessee right there, which, if it can capitalize off of that and the Cape moves further north than expected, it could definitely generate some severe weather in that part of the state right there. But right now, it's just too early to determine what's going to be happening when it comes to that. Down in the Houston area, if we take a look at the shear is a little weaker, around 37, 38 knots. Cape's still around 1,300, 1,200 joules per kilogram. So we could definitely see some stuff down there. We're not entirely sure what exact severe weather. It could be a QLCS. That does appear, at least according to the front, the most likely scenario at this current time. But right now is right now, and we will continue to update you guys here on the Pat's Path Predictor channel. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Helps me out and helps me make more videos like these. The goal of this channel is to get more people engaged with weather. So with that being said, have a wonderful day. Hit that red subscribe button and stay safe.